Had a bit of back and forth in my booking due to unexpected change of events from both ends, but so glad I was able to meet CYoung for this session. She broke her foot but still showed up. Having watched her channel, I'm familiar with her frankness/candidness, which I appreciated. I'm a total beginner and asked for something I can replicate easily, and she delivered. She gave lots of practical advices, from prepping skin to makeup expectation. No makeup will still seem heavy to someone like me who uses none in my daily life, to explaining about why I should/shouldn't use something, especially when I'm a beginner. With the lesson itself, she did half my face while she'd get me to do the other half right after each step. All in all, I really enjoyed my session with CYoung. It was fun, interactive and informative, with a touch of cheekiness. Got roasted by her. Good, friendly, thoughtful and professional instructor. I really learned a lot about my makeup routine and about things I was doing wrong, and had a huge effect on how the makeup sits on my skin, making me feel insecure. The explanations were very detailed and made sure that I was understanding. I was really happy with the outcome. The makeup artist is friendly and has good makeup skills. The time is a bit short for a large group, and the levels of students may be different. CYoung is incredibly knowledgeable about makeup and K-beauty in general. She's also really funny, so it's hard to keep a straight face the entire class. Would recommend to anyone visiting Korea and interested to learn more about makeup, whether you are a complete beginner or a pro. Teacher Park was super friendly and gave a very in-depth makeup class for a beginner like me, tailoring makeup styles, color palettes that's sweet for a simple everyday look. Park CYoung is super funny and very good at teaching makeup skills. I came as a complete beginner and she made everything easy for me to understand and apply. I learned so much about my skin type and tone. She applied makeup on half of my face and I got to practice on my own. I realized that the makeup I was using didn't fit my skin color, so I got good recommendations that fit me. I also really liked doing this class as a private two-person class because she got to spend a good amount of time on each of us. One of my favorite things I did in Seoul. At the beginning, Annie will help me see if the cosmetics I am currently using are suitable for my skin tone. After removing the makeup, I will also recommend skincare products based on my skin condition. Then I will apply makeup on half my face and let me learn how to apply on the other side. Even makeup novices can do it. It's easy to learn, because I immediately rushed to the concert for 2 consecutive days after putting on makeup and didn't have time to buy cosmetics. Annie prepared a full set of cosmetics and skincare products for me to buy immediately, and the next day I could put on makeup by myself to chase stars. She returned it. I have a lot of snacks that you can eat at the concert.